don't wanna feel no more.
Funny how I didn't fall in love with it when I was in the Chanel store. My heart was beating like crazy and I knew that I just had to have this bag. It was just love at first sight. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fabulous day today. I'm feeling really delirious at the moment. I'm over the moon. So for today's video, I'm coming at you with a Chanel handbag unboxing. And the bag I'm going to unbox today, as you guys can tell by the title, is a Chanel square mini flap in Black Caviar with gold hardware. Ah! You guys don't understand how hard it is to get a square mini flap in Black Caviar with gold hardware. Originally, I went to Chanel and I tried on the lambskin square mini and the lambskin rectangular mini. I just wanted to see what the size comparison was, what the different shape was like. Both of them were in the newer light gold hardware, which I wasn't a fan of, and lambskin, which I wasn't a fan of. And at the time, I was more leaning towards the rectangular square mini. Oh, sorry. I was more leaning towards the rectangular mini just because I think that is like really cute. It's like a baby version of the Chanel classic flap. And the square mini just, I don't know, it didn't wow me. Maybe because it was in lambskin or maybe because of the hardware. Yeah, I just went home and I didn't think much of it until Monday night last week. I saw this bag on Gumtree and my eyes were popping out of my head. Like I was like, oh my gosh, my heart was pumping and I was like, wow, this bag looks so gorgeous. I just couldn't stop thinking about it. And within 10 minutes, I just started talking to her. I actually paid by bank deposit. I transferred a huge lump of money to her. So that's why I was tossing and turning. She sent it Tuesday and you know, today's Tuesday. So I've had to take 2 Panadols before because my head is buzzing. She sent it all the way from the Northern Territory and it's just taken forever to arrive. And when my postie guy delivered it to me, there was no signature on arrival. He just left it out there. You know, what if someone took it? Oh, I'm hoping and I'm praying that this one turns out perfectly. Please, please, please. Whew. How does this go? How do I open this? Oh my God, it's so exciting. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So she's included the shopping bags. Oh my gosh, it looks so gorgeous. It comes with the 2 camellias and the gorgeous ribbon with the box. And this here is, must be the cable clip. Oh my gosh. We'll have a look at this one in a second. And we'll take out the box. This is so exciting. Oh my gosh. All right, so and this is my first ever magnetic box. Oh, so beautiful. So I'll take this one off. Not as sticky anymore, but it's just so beautiful, isn't it? Oh my goodness. And then we've got the ribbon, which is so, so pretty. Oh, onto the ribbon. That ribbon is coming off. Okay. Oh my gosh, okay. Oh my gosh, I just love this magnetic box. Oh my gosh, so we have with the black Chanel sticker here. Oh my gosh, it feels like my fingers are tingly right now. So it's got Chanel printed all over it. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Oh wow. Can we just take a moment, please? She is so little. Oh. So I'll just lay this down for a second. Oh. Okay, so this here, guys, is the Chanel square mini flap with black caviar leather with gold hardware. Oh my gosh. And this hardware looks like it is it looks like it's really, really gold. It looks like it is a brushed gold hardware or a matte gold hardware. It just looks so stunning. Oh my gosh, so, so stunning. Wow. It comes with the classic CC turn lock. We've got the half moon pocket at the back with the gorgeous quilting. Oh wow, it is nice and raised and wow, it just feels so good to hold this baby. Like, how cute is this? Okay, so let's have a look on the inside. Wow. It says Chanel made in Italy. It is in immaculate condition. The corners are all intact. There's not one scuff. I love it how she looks after a bag so well like this. Like, I cannot believe it. Can you believe how stinking cute this is? Like, do you see what I'm saying? It is so freaking cute. I've, you know, watched a lot of reviews on this and it actually can fit quite a lot in it. So she has lost the Chanel dust bag, which is quite a shame, but she's included a Louis Vuitton dust bag instead, which is so funny because I've been obsessing over Louis Vuitton and lately Chanel, so that is a really cute addition to it. I'm so glad that I have like a dust bag at least. This is the care booklet. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm shaking right now. And then it comes with the Chanel buffer sleeve. It comes with the Chanel authenticity card, which is a 21 series. Oh my gosh, I love it. And then in here, the Chanel receipt, which I haven't seen. I'm just so excited. So this is, oh my gosh, this is amazing. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Purchased in Chanel Flinders Lane, purchased December last year. And this one here says that this bag cost $3,780, and on the receipt the serial number reads true to the authenticity card. So this bag here is from the 2016 cruise collection. I've just been loving smaller bags at the moment. I'm just really happy with this purchase, and because it is a square shape, it's just so different to all of Chanel's other classic flap styles, being this one being a flap. It just looks so different and it's just so cute. And when Chanel do get them in store, it's always sold out because I only have like 2 or 3 of these per store. As compared to a classic flap, the price point is still quite reasonable as an entry-level flap bag from Chanel. My Chanel dreams are coming true. I just love to show you my Chanel bag collection one day. You guys will be surprised. To do so, I want to say thank you so much for sharing this unboxing experience with me. It's just so special when you purchase a Chanel bag, whether it be on the pre-loved market or straight from the boutique, whether it be your first Chanel or your last one or your 10th one, and just seeing that camellia, the ribbon, there's something about it that is just so unique, so beautiful and elegant about Chanel. I just love it, love it, love it. I'd love to know your thoughts on this little guy. Do you guys have a Chanel square mini flap as well? Which color combination, what leather, and which one do you prefer, lambskin or caviar? I mean, it's such a great debate. Lambskin is just so luxurious, but caviar leather is quite carefree. And I don't know, I just feel so lucky that I was able to come across this bag on Gumtree, of all places, right? I paid a little bit less than the recommended retail price of a Chanel square mini flap at the moment, at the current rate at the moment. So I think I did really, really well. Some people say it's quite short. I feel as though it's the perfect length on me. My hip is here and he fits perfectly on my hip. I've just been so lucky. As soon as I saw it, I snapped it up straight away. I was like one of the first 10 people to have a look at this listing. So thank you all so much for watching. Please take care. Until next time, I will see you again soon. Bye for now.
There's no need to scream and shout.